Hello, today I'm in the 1600 block of West Warren. That's in the West Town neighborhood in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. I'm starting with my back at the front door. So as you first walk in, it's your in-unit washer and dryer. This is the second bedroom. It's really good size. It's got a nice layout. I think you could put a king-size bed in here, but for sure you could put a queen. It's got a really big closet. Closet's bigger than most. And again, it's organized. All the closets are organized like that, so if you wanted to adjust them, you could, which I think is a great feature. Here is the common bathroom. It has a tub and a shower combination in it. I'll show you that here in a minute. Nice 12 by 18-inch tile. Gives it a really nice look. A nice upgraded look. From here we'll continue down to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has a closet here. Again, it's organized like the other ones. It's a really good sized room. I feel like this room would hold a king size bed. It would easily hold a queen. Here is the master bathroom. Double vanity, stone countertops, nice modern lighting. Kind of on the other side of the shower, you've got a little space here for the toilet. Looking back, it's a really nice big walk-in shower. One more look at the high ceilings. I'm pretty sure these ceilings are 9 feet high, which just gives you a lot more feeling of space also. Here's your entry closet. So this whole corner here, so the back side of this is the closet for the master bedroom, and then to the side here is the closet for the master bedroom. This whole square here is a closet. This is the main living room. It's a nice open floor plan. You can see there's a deck over there. This is also a top floor unit, so it also has an additional private roof deck. I'll show it to you on another video. You should be able to link it from this one. If not, give me a call and I'll tell you how to get there. Stainless steel farm sink, easy close cabinets, a really big refrigerator, under cabinet lighting. See a better than average hood. On this side into the breakfast bar, you've got a nice built-in microwave. In the cabinets, you can see there's electricity. In the breakfast bar, just a lot of cabinets. Then again, this has 2 decks. It's a top floor unit. This would be where you could put a dining room table if you wanted, or if you were looking to do like an in-home office, you could. This unit has 2 outside decks. This is the one just directly off your unit. It has electricity and lights on it. They'll give you an idea of where you're at. That's the United Center. Over there is Madison, and that's Madison and Ashland. Looking back across here, see the Willis Tower. With the high ceilings and the brightness of this apartment, it's just really, really good features.